to complement our tailor-made ranges of gear pumps, motors and cylinders that we manufacture here in Port Glasgow, we also make a wide range of specialist parts. With the almost limitless range of pumps in the market, many on older machines that are now obsolete, there is a need for replacement units that will directly fit in place of the original. In most cases, we are able to do this with either a stocked unit or a tailor-made one. However, often it may also involve manufacturing special flanges, bodies, port adapters or covers. Our engineering department is equipped with a range of manual and CNC machinery. We have 3 test rigs that we use to test all pumps that we manufacture or repair on site. At all times, we are mindful that solutions have to be at a viable cost to make it worthwhile repairing old equipment. We are also very much aware that in most cases the requirement is as a result of a breakdown, and so we are always aiming to provide solutions in a timely manner. Just because the hydraulic part you require is no longer available from other suppliers doesn't mean that we can't replace it. Contact Whitehouse Products, the specialist in non-standard hydraulic pumps, motors and cylinders for your next custom-made requirement.